In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a site in Framer. Archiving a site is really useful when a project is no longer active, but you don't want to delete it completely. Maybe you've finished a client project, wrapped up a campaign, or you just want to keep your dashboard clean and organized. Archiving lets you move that site out of your main view, while still keeping it safe if you ever need to revisit it later. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account and head over to your main dashboard. This is the screen where you see a list of all your projects or sites. If you're not already there, you can usually get to the dashboard from the main Framer interface by clicking on the projects or home icon, depending on the version you're using. Take a moment to locate the site you want to archive. It will appear as one of the cards or tiles in your project list. Once you've found the right site, move your cursor over its project card. On that card, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This icon is typically in the upper corner of the project card. Hovering over the card should make it visible if it's not already. When you see those three dots, click on them to open a small drop-down menu of options related to that specific site. In that menu, you'll see several actions you can take, such as opening the project, duplicating it, or changing its settings. Among those options, look for the one labeled Archive. This is the command that will move your site out of your active projects list and into your archive projects area. Go ahead and click on Archive. After you click, Framer may briefly update the dashboard view, and you'll notice that the site you just archived disappears from your main list of recent or active projects. That's expected, and it simply means the archive action worked. The site is not deleted, it's just stored separately, so your workspace stays tidy. If you ever need to access that archived site again, you can usually find it in a dedicated archive section inside your projects or dashboard area. From there, you can open it, review its content, or restore it to your active projects if needed. And that's all there is to it. Go to your Framer dashboard, open the options for your project, and select Archive to keep your workspace clean without losing your work.